Open your browser and search RunwayML.com. If you don't have an account, so please sign up. You can sign in with your Google account. Runway provides various AI tools, and their thumbnails are listed on the dashboard. To animate images, we use the Gen 2 tool by clicking on the Upload a File link. We can upload an image to the Gen 2 tool that we want to animate. Click on Upload a File option. Select the image and upload. There are two options. First is camera motion, and second is motion brush for animating images. The camera motion is tool controls, camera movements, and the motion brush is a masking tool that allows us to specify which parts of the image should be animated. Now, start with camera motion. Here is some options for image animation. Now follow. Click on Generate Forest button. After a few seconds, your animated video will ready. Now I play the video with the Extend Forest button. We can increase the video duration by another 4 seconds. The Download Video button is located in the top right section of the video frame. Now, animate another one. In this time, click on Motion Brush option. Now we have a brush at our disposal and we can adjust the size as needed. Click on Generate Forest button. After a few seconds, your animated video will ready. Now I play the video. I hope you like this video. For more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.